Hey, how's it going? So today I'm gonna quickly go over my solutions for the Pramp question cells path. So I'm sure you already read the question already. Basically you are given a tree and it's not a binary tree. You can for example you can have like multiple children at some level, but to have like a random number of children, like it has 3 children at this level, but it has just 2 children at this level. So you are given a tree, and each node there is like a cost, and basically you have to find the minimum pass sum and return the minimum pass sum. So for example, in this picture, 7 gets returned because 0 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 7, and that's the minimum pass. So this pass has 9 sum, and this pass has 13, and this pass has 7. So it will return 7, it will just return the sum. And this pass has 11. Yeah, so basically you just need to find the minimum pass sum and return that minimum pass sum. Okay, so what I did is that I create a helper function that has a node that passes in, and the cumulative cost so far. And what I do in the main function is that so first of all, if there is no root node at all, I return 0 because the sum, I guess you can assume is 0, right? And I initialize a global variable called my result. So that's my minimum pass sum. And I call my helper function with my root node, and I pass in the cumulative sum, which is 0, because at root node I don't have any cumulative sum yet. And at the end, I just need to return my global minimum sum. So what my helper function do is that it takes in 2 parameters, the node itself and the cumulative cost so far. So first of all, I add the cumulative cost. I add the nodes. So my node looks like this, right? So it has the cost. So first of all, I add the node cost to the cumulative cost. So imagine that you're calling helper first with root node, and your root node is like this node, right? And your cumulative cost is 0 initially, and you add the 0. So this node's cost to the like a cumulative cost. So right now it's still 0, and so basically it's gonna be a recursive function. But the base case is if I reach the leaf node. If I reach the leaf node, I have to compare my this should be, I think it should be result. I have to compare my previous result with my global result with right now the cumulative cost, right? So if the cumulative cost is even smaller, the result is going to be updated, right? So that's my base case when I reach the leaf node. Every time when I reach the leaf node, I have to update my global result, right? But if the pass sum is has a greater cumulative cost than the result, it's not going to be updated, right? So the recursive case is that for child in node.children. So for child in node.children, all I need to do is call my helper function on the children and passing the cumulative cost, right? Because, for example, at root node, my cumulative cost is 0 plus 0 is 0, still 0. So I'm passing here. So basically for this pass 0, 5, 4, for 5, right now I will call what? I will call 5, 0, right? And when I reach 5, 0, I see it's not the leaf node. So for 5's children, 4. I call helper 4, and now the cumulative cost will be what? Will be 5 already, right? Yeah, so basically, I just write a helper Pramp function that passing the cumulative cost so far, starting from the root node. And because Pramp it doesn't have any like test cases and it doesn't have any tree, so I just paste my solution here in PyCharm, and I build the tree. The tree is exactly as this tree, and I when I run it give me 7. So remember it's the result 7, right? So it should be correct. Yeah. Yeah, basically you just maintain a global variable and you maintain a helper function, and you pass in like at each step you updated your cumulative cost, and then for the next layer you just need to pass in recursively call your child and pass in the cumulative cost. Okay, that's it. Thank you.